Good morning, guys. Welcome to Cymru Under the Hood. So we got a Monday morning here, and I just thought I'd show you some of the insights of opening car hoods sometimes. Yeah, you get to find nice little nests like this. This is a 2023 Toyota. Toyotas are notorious for this. The mice really like these cars. I know they had the soya-based wiring harnesses at one point. I'm not sure if this is one of those years, but doesn't look like it's chewed on any wires, but we'll have to investigate and yeah, join us on this one so we check it out. Alright, so here, let's take some of this nest out. I mean, that's a pretty good nest in there. Man, I haven't seen one quite like that too. I mean, it almost looks like a freaking bird's nest. I can put that in the tree. I think they could use it as a nest. What do you think of that? Okay, so we're gonna have to remove this nest. Just make sure it hasn't chewed on any wires. Doesn't look like any wires have been chewed on. I think they just found that nice little spot up there. Could even be a squirrel, I don't know, but that's a pretty good. They obviously like the ferns, I suppose, but it looks like we're good. But you always got to double check, make sure all the wires look good, they haven't chewed on anything, but I think we're okay on this one. So a good way to stop these mice getting in here, what we found is we've tried a bunch of different stuff. You know, the dry sheets, people have tried that, the peppermint spray, all kinds of stuff. The thing that we seem to be finding that seems to work the best right now is these ultrasonic rodent repellents. This one you can hook up to the battery under the hood. Obviously on some of these newer Toyotas that battery's not hiding under here. So there's also ones that actually have batteries that you can put in and then put them, you zip tie them under the hood. So for this one, back off a little bit, I'm going to zip tie this one up here because obviously this is the spot that they liked, and then this is going to emit an ultrasonic sound, and it also does a light too. These ones, I find the batteries last about 3 months. And then they'll make a different sound audible enough for you to hear to remind you to change the batteries. So yeah, maybe just getting some reusable or rechargeable batteries. These are just double A's in this one, 3 it takes. There's a bunch of different styles. I'll put a link in the description below for these guys. You can buy these on Amazon. There's a whole bunch of different ones. These are some of the ones I use. But okay, there it is. A couple of zip ties, hold it in place. That way you can kind of flick it over and still get to the batteries, and that's how it goes. And then flick the switch, on it goes, and then there you go. It'll start doing its thing. That'll keep the mice away. They seem to work the best out of all the things that we've used over the years for getting rid of the rats, mice, keeping them at bay. I've had a couple of customers, well, quite a few customers I've installed these, and once they've come back in for oil changes and stuff, opened the hood and not found any issues. Sometimes you can put multiple in. I've had a couple of customers where they've got like 2 under the hood and 1 in the glove box and never had a problem after at all. They don't mess with the cats or anything like that with the noise, or the pets. I got a cat and a dog. You might have heard the cat in one of the, well, in a couple of my videos. She likes to come along sometimes. But yeah, it doesn't bother them at all. But yeah, grab yourself down in the link below, put them in your Toyota, put them in whatever car you want. Maybe you've got an RV that sits around for a bunch of times, you can also put them in those as well. Those are really handy in those things too. So anyway, hope you guys like the video. Yep, we'll see you on the next one, and we'll keep posting. Later, guys.